Buenos tardes, amigos. Chappie here. We got a great episode coming up. Appies with Chappie by the lake.
Come on now, Mookie, ain't nothing but a hound dog. This is Appies with Chappie by the lake, where we're gonna have appetizers and a cool, refreshing drink. Come on now, Mookie, don't be cruel. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Aloha, welcome to Appies with Chappie by the lake. For appetizer today, I got some Hawaiian turkey meatballs. See here how I made them. Alright, to go with my Hawaiian turkey meatballs, I'll give it a try. Delicious. To go with my... Now, of course, we need a drink to go with our Hawaiian turkey meatballs. I'm getting this drink from the diffordsguide.com. It's just called Pomme, which I think is French for apple. Which would explain why I'm using Calvados, which is a lovely French apple brandy. It's used in tons of old-timey drinks. It's been around forever. So let's get started on my Pomme. So I'm just going to shake it up in my cocktail shaker. And we'll go 1 ounce of Calvados. And then I'm going to do the juice of a whole fresh lemon. I did reserve a wedge for garnish. Whoopsie. All right, and then we'll go a splash of vanilla simple syrup. I just added a little bit of extract to my regular simple syrup. When I do the simple syrup, it's just 1 part sugar, 1 part water, heated up. And then 2 ounces of apple juice. All right, we'll give that a shake up. And I think this is normally like a martini style drink, but I'm just going to use a nice copper mug today. Copper mugs are traditionally used in Moscow mules. The copper keeps the drink very cold. All right, strain that on in. Okay, got my lemon wedge as a garnish. And that's a Pomme to go with my Hawaiian turkey meatballs. And that concludes another episode of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes. But sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.